করোনাকালীন সময়ে চরভাঙ্গা উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের পক্ষ থেকে অনলাইন ক্লাসের পক্ষ থেকে তোমাদের সকলকে জানাচ্ছি শুভেচ্ছা। ওয়েলকাম টু এভরিবডি। I am Mohammad Abul Kasem, assistant teacher, Charbanga High School, Hamchar, Chatpur. Lesson introduction. Class 9-10, subject English, first paper, Unit 5, Lesson 1. Look at the picture below and try to say what are the picture about. These are probably the river affected erosion area, different parts in Bangladesh. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. What do you see in the picture? What happened with her? What are the causes of it? Today's lesson is the greed of the mighty rivers. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lessons, student will be able to learn the meaning of new words, comprehend and summarize the text, ask and answer questions, take part in debate on the given topic. Let us learn some new words. Embankment, a water store or earth made the protect a road. Demolish, to destroy. Erosion, to process of being eroded by the water or other natural things. Slums, a overcrowded place with very poor people live. Open at page 56 and reading. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Sirazganj town protection embankment. Her polythene roofed shelter looks like a cage. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some fallen leaves and straw to the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing flame reminds Meherjan of the turmoil in her life. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything: a family, cultivable land and cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her landed property. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour Meher's house, trees, vegetable garden and bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to disease that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live on with the loss and pain. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. There are thousands others waiting to share the same fate like Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of rivers, some of whose bank overflow or erode during monsoon. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river banks. During each monsoon, many more villages are threatened by the mighty rivers like the Jamuna, the Padma, and the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by the climate change. If we can take prompt actions to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more Meherjans in our towns and villages every year. Homework. Write the summaries of the lessons, the greed of the mighty rivers in your own words at home and bring it in next classes. Thank you all.